Hello students, let's read this question. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. So let's start with first pair of equations. In first we have x plus y equals to 5. This is our first equation. And second we have 2x minus 3y equals to 4. This is our second equation. If we multiply first equation by 2, what we get? We get 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Now, when we subtract second from third, this is our third equation. When we subtract second from third, we get 5y equals to 6. That means we get the value of y as 6 by 5. If we put the value of y into the first equation, we get x plus 6 by 5 is equals to 5. That means we can calculate the value of x. X will be 5 minus 6 by 5. So from here we get the value of x as 19 by 5. Now this we have done using the elimination method. Now solving the same question with the substitution method. So we have first equation as x plus y equals to 5 and the second equation were 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Now from first we can write that x is equals to 5 minus y. This is our third equation. Now when the value is put in the equation second, we get 2 into 5 minus y minus 3y is equals to 4. Solving this we get minus 5y is equals to 6 minus 6. So from here we get the value of y as 6 by 5. Now if we put the value of y into the equation first, we get x plus 6 by 5 is equals to 5. Solving this we get x is equals to 5 minus 6 by 5, and this previously give us the value as x equals to 19 by 5. So move on to the second pair of equations, which are 3x plus 4y equals to 10. This is our first equation, and second equation is 2x minus 2y equals to 2. This is our second equation. Now by using elimination method, so for this we multiply second equation by 2, we get 4x minus 4y equals to 4. Now this is our third equation. Now if we add first equation and third equation, we get 7x equals to 14. So from here we get the value of x as 2. So we put this value into the second equation. What we get, 2 into 2 minus 2 into y is equals to 2. This will be 4 minus 2y equals to 2. This will be 2y equals to 2. So from here we get the value of y as 1. Now we perform the same using the substitution method. So again we have the first equation as 3x plus 4y equals to 10, and we have second equation as 2x minus 2y equals to 2. Now from equation second we can write this as x minus y equals to 1 by dividing it by 2. So from here we get x equals to 1 plus y. This is our third equation. Now subtracting the substituting the value of third into first, we get 3 into 1 plus y plus 4y equals to 10. Solving this we get 7y equals to 7. So from here we get the value of y as 1. Now we put the value of y into the third equation. We get x equals to 1 plus 1. So from here we get the value of x as 2 using the substitution method. Now move on to the third pair of equations, which are 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0, and second one is 9x equals to 2y plus 7. So this is our first equation, and second equation we can write this as 9x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. This is our second equation. Now first applying the elimination method. So for this we multiplied first equation by 3. We get 9x minus 15y minus 12 equals to 0. This is our third equation, and when the equation third is subtracted from the equation when the equation second subtracted from equation third, we get 13y is equals to minus 5. So from here we get the value of y as minus 5y 13. Now if we put the value of y in the equation first, we get 3x minus 5 into minus 5 by 13 minus 4 equals to 0. Solving this, we get 3x is equals to 27 by 13. This will be cancelled out by 9 times. So we get the value of x as 9 by 13 using the elimination method. Now again, it's time for substitution method. So we have the equations as 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0. This is our first equation. And second equation we have 9x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. This is our second equation. Now, in substitution method, from equation first, we can write this as x is equals to 5y plus 4 divided by 3. This is our third equation. Now, putting the value of x into the second equation, we get 9 into 5y plus 4 by 3 minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. We cancel out this by 3 times. Now, solving this, this will be 13y is equals to minus 5. So this gives the value of y as minus 5 by 13. Now we put the value of y into the fifth equation, into the third equation. We get x is equals to 5 into minus 5 by 13 plus 4 divided by 3. Solving this, we get the value of x as 9 by 13. Now move on to the fourth pair of equations, which are x by 2 plus 2 by 3y is equals to minus 1, and second equation is x minus y by 3 is equals to 3. So we can write first equation as 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. So this is our first equation, and we can write second equation as 3x minus y equals to 9. This is our second equation. Now again applying the elimination method. For this, if we subtract second equation, if we subtract first equation from second, we get 5y equals to minus 15. Now we get the value of y as minus 3. Now when the value of y is substituted in the first equation, we get 3x plus 4 into minus 3 is equals to minus 6. Solving this, we get 3x minus 12 equals to minus 6. This will be 3x is equals to minus 6 plus 12 plus 6. So we get the value of x as 2. Now we put the now again solving this using the substitution method. We have the equation 1 as 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6, and second equation as 3x minus y equals to 9. Now from equation second, we can write this as x is equals to y plus 9 by 3. This is our third equation. Now putting the value of x into the first equation, we get 3 into y plus 9 by 3 plus 4y equals to minus 6. 3 cancel out. Solving this, we get 5y equals to minus 15. So we get the final value of y as minus 3. Now when we put the value of y into the third equation, we get x is equals to minus 3 plus 9 by 3. So x will be 6 by 3. So we get the value of x as 2 and y as minus 3 using the substitution method. So we have solved the following pair of linear equations by using both the elimination method and the substitution method for all of the following. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.